Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to hide text on the video on Pictory. So let's get started. So to discover how Pictory empowers you to effortlessly hide text and ensuring a clutter-free visual experience, here's how you can achieve it. Step 1. On the storyboard page, pinpoint the scene where you wish to hide the text. Remember, you can even hide text across all scenes if you prefer. Step 2. Locate the scene bar. Within it, you will find the hide text icon, recognizable by the CC emblem. Step 3. A single click on this icon conceals the text within the scene. As a bonus, an Apply to All button appears. Step 4. Click the Apply to All button to extend this text hiding magic across your entire video. Step 5. If you prefer to keep the change limited to one scene, simply tap the X on the Apply to All button. And there you have it. With Pictory, seamlessly hide text for a visually captivating masterpiece that truly shines. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.